cryptocurrency a fancy and futuristic revolution? Welcome to InfoGrid. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency, one of the most disruptive financial innovations of our time. Is it the future of money or just another digital bubble? We'll break it all down: what crypto is, how it works, and whether it's here to stay. So, if you've ever wondered about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or NFTs, stick around. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that operates on blockchain technology. No central authority. Unlike traditional money controlled by banks, crypto is decentralized. How it works: transactions are verified by a distributed network of computers, miners or validators. Bitcoin is the pioneer, the first and most famous cryptocurrency, launched by an anonymous person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Think of crypto like digital gold: it's scarce, valuable, and not controlled by any single entity. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. How does blockchain work? A decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network. How transactions work: miners, validators confirm transactions through consensus mechanisms like proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS. Security features: immutability, cryptographic encryption, and decentralization make blockchain resistant to hacking. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts that run on blockchains like Ethereum, revolutionizing finance, gaming, and supply chains. If blockchain is the engine, then cryptocurrency is the fuel. But what gives crypto its value? Let's find out. Why do cryptocurrencies have value? Bitcoin price chart history, inflation graphics, financial institutions adopting crypto. Scarcity: Bitcoin, for example, has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. Utility: cryptocurrencies enable fast, borderless transactions. Trust in decentralization: people believe in the security and freedom of decentralized finance, DeFi. Adoption: major companies, governments, and financial institutions are integrating crypto into their systems. Crypto's value isn't just about speculation. There are real-world applications that are changing industries. Let's look at some of them. Real-world use cases of crypto: digital payments. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and stablecoins are used for purchases worldwide. DeFi, decentralized finance, lending, borrowing, and earning interest without banks. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, digital ownership of art, music, and virtual real estate. Cross-border transactions, faster and cheaper international money transfers. Gaming and metaverse, play to earn games and digital assets in virtual worlds. With all these benefits, crypto sounds amazing, right? But there's another side to the story. Let's talk about the risks. The risks and challenges: volatility. Prices can swing wildly. Bitcoin went from $69,000 to $20,000 in a year. Scams and hacks, rug pulls, Ponzi schemes, and exchange hacks have cost investors billions. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments worldwide are still figuring out how to regulate crypto. Energy consumption. Mining, especially Bitcoin, consumes massive amounts of electricity. Lost wallets. If you lose your private keys, your crypto is gone forever. Crypto is exciting, but it's also risky. So, should you invest? Let's discuss that next. Should you invest in crypto? Long-term versus short-term investing. Bitcoin as digital gold versus meme coin speculation. Diversification. Never put all your money in one basket. Crypto should be part of a balanced portfolio. DYOR, do your own research. Avoid hype and research before investing. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, a safer strategy for investing over time. Risk management. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. If you do decide to invest in crypto, remember, education is key. But where is crypto headed next? Let's explore the future. The future of cryptocurrency: mass adoption. More businesses and countries are integrating crypto. Regulations. Governments may introduce clearer laws, making crypto safer. Web3 and metaverse, blockchain-powered internet where users have full control over their data and assets. CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, governments launching their own digital currencies. Institutional investment, big banks and hedge funds are entering the crypto space. Crypto is evolving fast, and the next decade could be game-changing. But will it replace traditional money? Only time will tell. So, what do you think? Is cryptocurrency the future, or is it just another financial trend? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. One more thing where we should go for crypto. I will solve this for you. Here are top 10 crypto exchanges as of March 2025. The cryptocurrency exchange landscape has evolved significantly, with several platforms distinguishing themselves through security, user experience, and diverse offerings. Here are the top 10 cryptocurrency exchanges and the reasons for their prominence. 1. CME Group leading the industry. CME Group is a Chicago-based exchange renowned for its robust infrastructure and regulatory compliance. Why it's top-ranked? CME Group offers a wide range of cryptocurrency derivatives, providing institutional and retail investors with secure and regulated trading options. 2. Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance offers a comprehensive suite of services, including spot and futures trading. Binance is known for its low fees, extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, and advanced trading features, catering to both beginners and seasoned traders. 3. Coinbase is a well-established platform. Coinbase provides a user-friendly interface for buying, selling, and managing digital assets. Coinbase is praised for its strong security measures, regulatory compliance, and educational resources, making it an excellent choice for newcomers to the crypto space. 4. Kraken. Kraken is a reputable exchange offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading tools. Kraken is recognized for its high liquidity, robust security protocols, and comprehensive services, including futures trading and staking options. 5. Bybit. Bybit is a prominent platform specializing in cryptocurrency derivatives trading. Bybit offers competitive fees, a user-friendly interface, and advanced trading features, making it a preferred choice for derivatives traders. 6. OKX. OKX is a versatile exchange providing both centralized and decentralized trading services. OKX stands out for its decentralized exchange aggregator, fetching the best prices from over 200 DEXs, and offering high-yield aggregation for investors. 7. Crypto.com exchange. Crypto.com offers a comprehensive platform for trading, staking, and managing cryptocurrencies. The exchange is noted for its user-friendly mobile app, diverse range of supported assets, and additional services like crypto-backed loans and credit cards. 8. KuCoin. KuCoin is a global exchange known for its extensive selection of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. KuCoin offers low trading fees, a user-friendly interface, and a variety of services, including futures trading, staking, and lending. 9. Gemini. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange based in the United States. Gemini is lauded for its strong regulatory compliance, security features, and user-friendly platform, appealing to both individual and institutional investors. 10. Tobit. Tobit is an emerging exchange gaining traction for its innovative features and user-centric approach. Tobit offers a seamless trading experience with competitive fees, a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and advanced security measures, positioning it as a top choice in 2025. These exchanges have distinguished themselves through a combination of security, user experience, regulatory compliance, and diverse offerings, catering to a wide spectrum of cryptocurrency traders and investors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.